Okay, so we want to answer this question. Over what interval is each function increasing or decreasing? So the function is defined by the ordered pairs here. Okay, so the best way of doing this problem is to actually plot these points. Okay, so we're going to plot -2, -1.2. So I'm slide over from the origin, we'll slide over -2 and slide down to -1.2, which is going to be about right here. All right, it's not going to be 100% perfect, but it's close enough. -1, -0.3. So I'm going to go over to -1 and slide down to just under the x-axis, and I'll roughly say that's -0.3. 0, 0, that's the origin right here. Okay, so I'm going to connect those dots with a curve because it looks like it's curving. So I'm going to roughly connect these three dots, and that is going to represent my function. Okay, so now the question is not asking us to plot, but the question is asking us when is it increasing? Specifically, when we're talking about whether a function is increasing or not, or decreasing, we're talking about the values of the y. So going from this dot to this dot to this dot, our y values are actually going up. So therefore, my y values are increasing, and they're actually increasing over the entire plot. So we are increasing along the entire three dots. So now we go to define the interval of increasing. We're specifically talking about the space along the x-axis where it's increasing. So looks like we are increasing along every single spot along the x-axis for which we have dots, right? Meaning we start increasing at -2, and then we go all the way till we get to the origin, which is x0. Okay, so we are increasing over that entire duration of space. So how do we draw that? Well, the interval is from -2 to 0. From -2, comma 0, and that is interval notation. That's not an ordered pair, slightly different. Is interval notation, and what we're saying is over that entire space from -2 to 0, your function based on those three dots is increasing, going up in value for the y. Okay, hope that helps, and there is your answer. Take care.